Namaskar students. In this class, we will do the study of cut, copy and paste in MS Paint. What is the meaning of cut, copy and paste? In this, we will do one thing that at first we will draw one drawing here. Then at first we will select that and then we will copy it and then we will paste it at another place. So how to do all these things? Let's begin. So for doing this, at first I have to draw some drawing here. So I am just making a hut here. With the help of rectangle tool, I will just make a box here. I have drawn this box. Now to make the upper part of this hut, I will click on triangle tool. Now I will draw a triangle on the top of this rectangle. Then I will again click on rectangle tool. Now I will make this part in the hut. Now I have to make the window, so I will click on again rectangle tool. Now I will click on this. You can see here. Now my hut is ready. Now I want to fill the color in this hut. So at first I will click on fill with color tool. Now I will choose the color from here. I am choosing this color. Now I am choosing red color from here. Now I am choosing different colors from here. I am just choosing green color, and now I am taking one more color. It is not looking good, so I am just taking yellow color to fill in this. Now you can see here that I have drawn this hut. Now I want to draw, now I want one more hut here, but I don't want to draw that. So for that, what can I do here? For this, I can copy it and I can paste it. But how to do the copy and paste? I am just telling you. For doing the copy work, at first I have to select this drawing. So for selecting this, I have to click on select tool. Here you can see the select tool is here. In the image group, you are having the select tool. So you have to just click on this select tool. When you will click on this select tool, then your cursor will change into the plus sign. It is already in plus sign. Now what you have to do here? You have to draw one box here with the help of select tool. So you can see, just press the left mouse button and draw a box on this hut. You can see I have drawn this box. Now leave it. Now leave the left mouse button. Now come to the clipboard group. In the clipboard group, you can see the copy option is here. Copy button is here. When you will click on this copy button, nothing will happen. But when you will click on this paste, that time your copied drawing will be there. So I have clicked on copy. Now I will click on paste. When you will click on paste, you can see your one hut is here. Now what you have to do? You have to place this drawing, this hut at another place. So just place your mouse pointer here on this drawing. You can see it is coming in four-headed arrow. You can see that four-headed arrow is coming here. So just press the left mouse button and drag it and drop it at another place. You can see. Now just place it here. Now you can see here that without drawing any image, you have 2 hertz. So with the help of copy and paste, you can make the copy of any image or any drawing. Now I am telling you about the cut and paste. See, whenever you will cut anything, that time that image or drawing will go from that side, and when you will paste it, that time you will get that drawing back. Here when you are doing the copy work, that time you are getting 2 copies. It means one is the original one and the second one which you are pasting. When you are doing copy, that time you are getting 2 same drawing. When you will do the cut work, that time the first image will be cut and then it will go, and then when you will paste it, that time you will get the same picture. So I am just telling you how to do the cut and paste. For this, what we have to do, I am just telling you again. I am just clicking on file and then new. Now I am just clicking on don't save because I want to draw another picture here. Now I am just taking this picture. You can see here I have drawn this circle. Now I am taking this. Now you can also draw this. You can see I am just making a robot here. You can also draw this robot. Now I want to make the hands here. I will draw this much only. I will not draw another thing. You can make the faces also. It's up to you. If you want to make the face, you can make the face. So here also you can make the eyes. You can make whatever you want to draw here, you can draw. I have drawn this much. Now I want to fill the color. So with the help of fill with color tool, I will fill the color here. Now I am just taking different colors here. For hands I am taking green color. For leg I am taking blue color. And for face I am taking pink color. And here I am taking red color. No, it is not looking good, so I am just taking green color. Now my robot is ready. Now I want to do the cut and paste. So for that, what I have to do, at first I have to select the picture. For doing the cut and copy, at first you have to select the picture. If you will not select the picture, that time you will not be able to do this work. So at first I will click on select. Now I will draw a box. You can see I have drawn. When you are drawing the box, your full image must be covered with that box. So now I have covered this. Now I have to click on cut. Now when I will click on cut, you can see I am just clicking on cut. When you will click on cut, that time your image will cut. It means your image will go. Now if I will click on paste, that time your cutted image will be back. It means now using the copy and paste, you are making the copy of the image, and with the help of cut you are getting only that image. Whatever image you are having, it will be cutted from that place, and with the help of paste you will get that image again here. So now if you want to place this image anywhere else, you can place it here. So by this way you can do the cut, copy and paste. Now I will give you the activity. So you have to do the practice of cut, copy and paste.